You would like a horse, car, boat or house. Here's how to do it. If you would like one of these, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Mott's free training where he will show you how to make money on YouTube with easy faceless videos, using AI tools. Have you ever seen someone with lots of money, without a partner? Hello YouTube friends, my name is Samantha. The information on this YouTube channel and the resources available are for educational and informational purposes only. Today we are going to be going over how to make money on YouTube with easy faceless videos, using AI tools. Welcome to How to Make Money on YouTube Without Showing Your Face. This is going to be a straight-to-the-point introduction to information that shows you exactly what to do to make money on YouTube with easy faceless videos, using AI tools. Well, running YouTube channels where you don't ever have to show your face checks all of the boxes for being the best business model out there. First of all, you can run your YouTube channels from anywhere. Your age doesn't matter. Your looks do not matter. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe, and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, click the link in the description below to take you to Mott's free training. In today's digital age, creating faceless videos using AI tools has become a popular and lucrative method for content creators to generate income on the platform. Faceless videos, as the name suggests, are videos where the creator's face is not shown or is intentionally obscured. With AI-powered tools becoming more accessible and user-friendly, content creators of all skill levels can now create professional-looking videos with ease. One of the key advantages of creating faceless videos using AI tools is the accessibility and profitability of this method for content creators. Unlike traditional video production, which may require expensive equipment and technical expertise, AI tools level the playing field by providing affordable and user-friendly solutions for creating high-quality content. In conclusion, making money on YouTube with easy faceless videos using AI tools is a promising avenue for content creators looking to monetize their passion for creating engaging and informative content. Choosing the right niche. When it comes to creating faceless videos on YouTube for profit, selecting the right niche is crucial for success. By choosing a profitable niche, content creators can attract a dedicated audience, maximize their earning potential, and establish themselves as experts in their field. In addition to researching trending topics, consider audience demand and competition within the chosen niche. Evaluate the level of interest and engagement from viewers in your target niche, as well as the number of content creators already producing videos in that space. Furthermore, ensure that the niche you choose aligns with your interests and expertise for consistent content creation. Creating faceless videos on YouTube requires a level of passion and knowledge about the subject matter to keep viewers engaged and coming back for more. This is good stuff. In conclusion, selecting a profitable niche for your faceless videos on YouTube involves thorough research, consideration of audience demand and competition, and alignment with your interests and expertise. Creating engaging content. Producing high-quality and engaging faceless videos on YouTube using AI tools is essential for capturing and retaining the attention of your audience. By leveraging the capabilities of AI tools for video editing, thumbnail creation, and content optimization, content creators can enhance the overall quality of their videos and increase viewer engagement. Here are some guidelines to help you create compelling thumbnail creation and content optimization. Content creators can enhance the overall quality of their videos and increase viewer engagement. Here are some guidelines to help you create compelling, improve video quality, and add visual effects that captivate viewers. In addition to video editing, AI tools can also be used for thumbnail creation to attract viewers to click on your videos. Thumbnails play a crucial role in grabbing the attention of potential viewers and enticing them to watch your content. By using AI-generated thumbnails that are visually appealing and relevant to the video's content, you can increase the click-through rate and ultimately grow your audience. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe, and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, click the link in the description below to take you to Mott's free training. Furthermore, focus on storytelling and visual appeal to captivate viewers and keep them engaged throughout the video. In conclusion, producing high-quality and engaging faceless videos on YouTube using AI tools involves utilizing AI for video editing, focusing on storytelling and visual appeal, and maintaining a consistent posting schedule. By following these guidelines, content creators can create compelling videos that resonate with their audience and drive engagement on the platform. It's great that you are joining us. Monetization strategies. Implementing effective monetization strategies for your YouTube channel is essential for turning your passion for creating faceless videos into a sustainable source of income. By exploring various revenue streams, optimizing your video content, and engaging with your audience, you can maximize your earning potential and build a successful channel. Here are some guidelines to help you implement effective monetization strategies for your YouTube channel. In addition to ad revenue, consider incorporating sponsored content and affiliate marketing into your monetization strategy. Furthermore, optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags to improve visibility and ad placement on YouTube. By incorporating relevant keywords and phrases in your video metadata, you can increase the chances of your videos being discovered by viewers and attract more ad placements. Additionally, creating compelling titles and descriptions that accurately reflect the content of your videos can help increase viewer engagement and retention, ultimately leading to higher ad revenue. Engaging with your audience is another crucial aspect of building a successful YouTube channel and increasing monetization opportunities. In conclusion, implementing effective monetization strategies for your YouTube channel involves exploring multiple revenue streams, optimizing your video content for better visibility and ad placement, and engaging with your audience to build a loyal following. By following these guidelines and continuously refining your monetization strategy, you can create a sustainable income stream from your faceless videos and turn your YouTube channel into a successful platform for content creation and monetization. We hope that you are enjoying this video. Analyzing performance. Tracking and analyzing the performance of your faceless videos on YouTube is essential for optimizing results, improving viewer engagement, and growing your channel. By utilizing analytics tools to monitor key video metrics, identifying top-performing videos, and experimenting with different formats based on audience feedback, you can refine your content strategy and drive success on the platform. Here are some guidelines to help you effectively analyze the performance of your faceless videos on YouTube. First and foremost, use analytics tools provided by YouTube to monitor important video metrics such as views, watch time, audience retention, and engagement. Identifying top-performing videos is another key aspect of analyzing performance and optimizing results on YouTube. By analyzing which videos have garnered the most views, engagement, and positive feedback, you can identify successful content strategies and replicate them in future videos. We are nearly there. Furthermore, experiment with different video formats and styles based on audience feedback and data insights to keep your content fresh and engaging. In conclusion, tracking and analyzing the performance of your faceless videos on YouTube is crucial for optimizing results, improving viewer engagement, and growing your channel. By using analytics tools to monitor video metrics, identifying top-performing videos, and experimenting with different formats based on audience feedback, you can refine your content strategy and drive success on the platform. In conclusion, the key to success on YouTube lies in strategic niche selection, high-quality content creation, effective monetization strategies, and continuous performance analysis. Research trending topics, consider audience demand, and ensure that your chosen niche allows for consistent content creation to drive engagement and viewership. Secondly, focusing on producing high-quality and engaging faceless videos using AI tools can help captivate viewers and keep them coming back for more. Utilize AI tools for video editing, thumbnail creation, and content optimization to enhance the visual appeal and professionalism of your videos. By prioritizing storytelling, visual appeal, and maintaining a consistent posting schedule, you can create compelling content that resonates with your audience and drives engagement on the platform. Effective monetization strategies are essential for turning your passion for creating videos into a sustainable source of income. Explore revenue streams such as ad revenue, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing to diversify your income sources and increase your earning potential. By optimizing your video metadata, engaging with your audience, and continuously analyzing performance metrics, you can refine your content strategy and drive success on YouTube. In today's digital age, generating income through YouTube has become a popular and rewarding pursuit. Whether you're a budding content creator or simply looking to earn some extra cash, YouTube offers a platform where you can turn your passion into profit effortlessly. We encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others to support our content creation efforts. Think of every video that you upload as a piece of digital real estate that lives forever on the internet. Then it should pay you money every single month. Matt still makes money every single month from videos that he uploaded when he was just 14 years old. So we're going to show you exactly how you can start planting these seeds for yourself with the 4 secrets that Matt mentioned. We hope that you enjoyed this video. Have you ever seen anybody with money without a partner? To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe, and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Mott's free training.